Hello and welcome to How to Guide. In this video, I'm going to be teaching you how you can record using OBS Studio. So let's go ahead and start the video. Open OBS Studio on your PC and what you need to do is click on this plus icon. After click on Add Source, which is over here, you can see the display capture. Go ahead and click on display capture and click OK. So you can see it will capture your screen which you are currently using. Go ahead and click on OK, which is over here, and then the display capture will be started. Now, what you need to do is start recording. So you will be learning how you can stream or how you can start recording. On the right hand side, you can see the start recording option. Right now, as I'm recording already, you can see the stop recording. And you can also set the hotkeys yourself to start or stop the recording. I'm going to teach it to you that too. So you can see the settings option over here. Go ahead and click on settings and then you can see the option of hotkeys. Go ahead and click on hotkeys over here and you can see the start recording and stop recording option. You can just go ahead and click on it and set according to your wish. So you can set anything and it will be set over here. So after you do so, go ahead and click on OK and the hotkey will be set. You should also take care that if you are using a mic or your desktop audio, you must enable or disable this option over here, or you can also turn down the volume or turn up the volume accordingly. So this is how you can start recording on OBS Studio. So you can now start recording any screen, any game, or any interface you are using on your Windows. I hope this video about how you can start recording on your OBS Studio was helpful for you. If you still have any kind of confusion, please do mention us on the comment section down below. Like the video, subscribe to the channel, and do hit the bell button for more. Hope to see you in the next video as well. Until then, goodbye, take care, and make sure you enjoy.